Welcome back, smartphone enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all the Redmi Note 10s users out there. We'll be showing you how to change the 24-hour clock to a 12-hour format on your Android 14 device. So, let's dive right in. To begin, unlock your Redmi Note 10s and access the Settings menu. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen to reveal the notification panel, and then tapping on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Additional Settings option. Tap on it to proceed. Now, in the Additional Settings menu, look for the Date and Time option and tap on it. Excellent! You're now in the Date and Time settings. Here, you'll find various options related to date, time, and clock formats. Look for the Time Format option. Simply tap on it and change the time format to 12-hour format. And there you have it. You've successfully switched from the 24-hour clock format to the 12-hour format on your Redmi Note 10s running Android 14. It's as simple as that. Now you can easily read the time in a format you're more familiar with. Feel free to customize other time and date settings according to your preferences.